Hey guys, today we are looking at the Honor Band 4, which is still not available in India. I got it from AliExpress for about 2300 rupees or $30 roughly. I was really happy with the packaging. It was pretty secure. So let's take a look at the box contents. So this is some paperwork, and you have the band itself and the charger, and there is also this adapter for charging. So I'm going to show you. You need to hook this up to the band. So this is how you can charge. So we'll take a look at it later. Now let's unwrap the cover and let's explore the band itself. So it is the 0.95 inch OLED color display, and it has the IP rating of 580m, which means you can actually take it for swimming as well. And also it has all the other necessary things like the heart rate sensor and all the stuff. So overall the build quality feels very good as well. And guys, actually this came in a Chinese language, but all I had to do was download the Huawei Health app, and once you download it, you can pair the band with the app, and once that is done, it will actually turn into English version. So that is very convenient. So as you can see, the Honor Band 4 is displayed, and pairing was also very easy, and it comes with Bluetooth 4.2, so that is also very good. And actually it asked me for an update, guys, and this update actually took about 25 minutes, so that was crazy. But after that, you can see it's working seamlessly, and I really love the user interface. I mean, it is very fluid, guys. I mean, I have used Mi Band 3 also, but I think the overall interface feels so fluid and so good. And this is my first time using any Honor Band, so first impressions, I just love it, especially comparing with the Mi Band 3. I guess the display looks better, and also the touch feels better and also precise compared to the Mi Band 3. And these are my first impressions, guys. I'm also going to do a full in-depth comparison between the Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 3. So please comment down below if you have any questions or any suggestions or anything that you want me to include. So please give this video a like, guys, so that I can keep coming with new stuff, latest stuff. So thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.